In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a buy X get Y discount in Shopify. We'll start right from your Shopify admin. Open your discounts area where all your codes and promotions live. Then choose Create Discount. From the discount types, pick Buy X Get Y. This option lets you reward customers with a discounted item when they meet a specific purchase requirement, which is perfect for promotions like spend $50, get 50% off a mug, or buy 2 shirts, get the third free. At the top, generate your discount code by clicking Generate Random Code. Shopify will produce a unique, shareable code instantly. If you prefer a branded code that's easy to remember, you can overwrite it with something clear and short, but the random option helps prevent duplicates. Next, set the minimum requirement. Under the Customer Spends section, choose between minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. Here, select minimum purchase amount and enter the threshold you want customers to reach before the deal applies. Amount is great for site-wide promotions. Quantity is better if you want them to buy a certain number of items. Be precise, and remember it should reflect the value that makes the promotion worthwhile for your margins. Now decide what customers will get with the discount. Click Browse and select the product or products that should receive the discount when the requirement is met. You can pick a single hero product or multiple related items. Keep in mind that tighter selections help focus the offer and protect profit. Set up the customer buys condition by entering the quantity customers need to purchase, and, if needed, browsing to choose which products those qualifying items come from. This can be the same product as the discounted one or something different, like buying a jacket to get a beanie discounted. Enter the percentage discount you want to apply to the Y item. For example, 100% makes it free while 50% makes it half off. Consider common price points and make sure the discount aligns with your campaign goals. Then enable limit to 1 use per customer to prevent stacking, which is especially useful during high-traffic promotions. Choose your start and end dates to schedule the promotion. Set clear start times and an end date to create urgency. Double-check your store's time zone so the discount begins and ends exactly when you expect. Finally, click Save. Your Buy X Get Y discount code is now ready to share in emails, banners, and social posts. That's all you need to set up a clean, conversion-friendly offer in Shopify.